Today's project is taking this greenery that I got from Amazon and putting it into this pot. I'm going to use these pool noodles as a way to hold the stems up, and we're going to check it out. I'm just trying to add some greenery to my front porch that doesn't have to be watered. I travel a lot and I don't want to worry about my plants dying while I'm gone, but I want the front to look nice. So let me get this assembled and we'll take a look at it. Okay. Now, I'm not a floral arranger, but I think that looks kind of cool. And what I really like about them is these are actually metal, so you can bend them the way you need to. And so see, I've just stuck them in the pool noodles. Now the cool thing is that it can be outside, it can rain on it, and the water will just go through. I'm gonna go put them on the porch and we'll take a look at them out there. I think that looks neat. That's a lot. So that was one package of floral pieces. That's pretty cool. There, I've sat it right here in the front next to my real flowers. So I'll keep playing with that and figure out where I want to put this and how I want it to look. But I think it looks really pretty here in front of my house. And that was a pretty cool and easy way to do some greenery that I don't have to water. That's a pretty nice full package of greenery options. You can do lots of things with this. Thanks for watching.